Do you want to create a poll on Messenger? With a few simple steps, you are able to create a poll on Facebook Messenger, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to do exactly that. But before we get started, I want you to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's begin. The first thing you want to do is open up your Facebook Messenger app, and from here, you just want to make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, you just want to tap on the chat where you want to create a poll. Usually, it will be on the groups to get opinions from everyone. So, here, as you can see, there are a few polls that are already being created. So, I'm going to show you how you can create one for yours. At the bottom left, you will see this plus icon. Just tap on it. You'll have different options like play games, location, polls. So just tap on polls, and from here you can just write your questions. So I'm just gonna write choose your option, and on my options I'm gonna add A, add another option as B, add another option as C, and create a poll. So what this will do is it will, if this is in a Facebook Messenger group, then everyone will be able to see the poll that you have created. So as you can see, here are already a few polls. So you can vote from here, and your profile picture will be shown right here. If you want to choose on your poll, you can tap on vote. You can also choose multiple options, and group members are also able to add options like this. Just tap on submit, and it will show you all of the results. So here are a few of the polls that have been created by my friends. So if I want to add options here, I can add it like this. So tap on submit, and you can also choose the option that you've just created. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found it helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.